Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to open Revolut account. Now we need to know that the process is simple. First, you'll have to go and open Play Store or App Store, whatever you're using. Search for Revolut, download the application, then click on Open. It will navigate you through this page. Simply click on Create Account because I do not have one in fact. Now you will have to provide your country. So you'll have to choose your country from here. Then you'll have to provide your phone number. Now you'll have to confirm that this number is correct. So click on Confirm. They will send you a 6-digit code. Now, after you provide the 6-digit code, it will show here this message. You can enable the push notifications or simply click on Not Now. Then you'll have to enter your country. So simply click on this arrow, then choose your country from this page. Then click on Sign Up Securely. Now provide your email address. Then now you have to create a passcode or password. So simply enter 6 digits. Then you'll have to confirm your passcode. After that, it will show here this page. You can enable the Face ID or not if you do not want it. So simply I'll click on Not Now. Then you'll have to provide your first name and the last name, and you should provide it as in your personal ID. Then enter your date of birth. Then they'll ask you to provide your home address. Once you provide your home address, click on Continue. And now you'll have to accept the terms and conditions. So simply if you want to read deposit insurance information, go to deposit information, click on this arrow beside it, then read all the terms and conditions. And if you want to check the personal terms, you can simply click on this option. Once you're all done, click on Accept and Continue. Now you'll have to verify your identity. So if you are wearing eyeglasses or wearing a hat, you should take it off. Then you'll have to take a selfie, then click on Continue. Now they will ask you if you are a citizen of the country that you have provided. Simply click on Yes if you are. And now you'll have to pick a document to verify your identity. You can choose between 3 options: the passport, the national ID, or even your driving license. But here in my case, I only have 2 options because this is the only option available in my country. After that, click on Continue, then provide the photo that confirms your nationality, then click on Submit Photo. And now you'll have to enter your social security number. You will find it on your national ID or passport, then hit the Continue. And they will ask you if this country is your sole tax residence. Click on Yes. They will ask you why do you want to use Revolut. Choose whatever you want, then click on Continue. And now you will have to provide a Rev tag. This is gonna be your tag so that people can add you or send monies through this tag. So keep that in mind. And after that, you'll have to provide a profile photo if you need, then click on Continue. And now they will ask you if you want to find friends. Just click on Continue or Not Now. Then they will show you all the plans they have. Here you have 4 plans: Plus, Premium, Metal, Ultra. Then they will ask you to pick your cards. You can choose between physical or virtual. I will go for virtual. Then here they will show you this message. You should now add some money to your Revolut account. Add your card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay or whatever wallet that you are using. Then make 3 card payments. And that is it. Here you have it. Now you have an account on Revolut. So that's all for today's, my friends. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.